At Viking Plastics Tooling Division in Jeffersonville, Indiana, we are your dedicated partner for design, build, and maintenance of molds for the injection molding industry. We have experience serving a variety of industries, including automotive, medical, consumer goods, appliance, and more. We offer a wide range of tooling capabilities, including new tool build, mold repairs and maintenance, engineering changes, in-house sampling, and production machining services. At Viking Plastics Tooling Division, we pride ourselves in our high level of expertise. Our employees have over 275 years of combined tool build and maintenance experience. We build and repair a variety of tools, including insert molds, unscrewing molds, over-molding molds, and hot runner molds. We also have global connections, giving us the ability to manage or build tools overseas and transport them into the United States. Once the tools arrive in the United States, we have the capability to make engineering changes, mold tryouts, and adjustments. Contact us today to learn more about our tooling services.